Hey guys, welcome back to Jackie AI Flow. Let me ask you something real quick. What if you could create a full, smooth, long-form video with 100% character consistency using nothing but GROK?
Scooby is here.
Yeah, seriously. No paid tools, no complicated editing, just one simple workflow. And please don't skip anything here, because there's one tiny step near the end that everyone overlooks, and that's exactly why their characters change halfway through the video. If you're into powerful AI tools that save you time and help you make more money online, hit that subscribe button right now and watch till the end. You don't want to miss this. All right, let's jump in. First thing we need is a story. A really good one, because a strong micro story is what makes your AI videos actually go viral on Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. So I hop into ChatGPT and type something like, "Write a short and exciting Hollywood-style 3D story about Scooby the dog, no longer than 60 seconds. The story must start with a suspenseful moment, and every 5 seconds there must be a new suspenseful and engaging hook. The story must only include 2 characters. Why only 2 characters? Because the fewer characters you have, the easier it is for GROK to keep everything consistent when generating scene-to-scene visuals." And just like that, ChatGPT gives us a polished 60-second storyline with built-in momentum and visual beats. Next, we ask ChatGPT to break the story into scenes. But here's the key part. Every scene needs to visually connect to the one before it. So I tell ChatGPT, "Next, you need to provide me with prompts for each scene, but make sure every scene smoothly connects to the previous one to create a continuous story flow." Now we've got a full list of scene prompts, clean and ready to use inside GROK. Time to move into GROK. I take the prompt for scene 1, paste it into GROK, switch from video to image, and hit generate. GROK gives you several variations, so take a moment to look closely. The face, the colors, the hair. Pick the version that feels like the main character for your whole video. I'm using a vertical aspect ratio since this tutorial is designed for TikTok and Shorts. Once your image is ready, click Make Video, and GROK instantly animates it into a smooth first scene. Now let's generate scene 2. Paste the scene 2 prompt generate image. And yeah, the character looks different. Different face, different outfit. Sometimes it looks like a whole new person. You can still make a video out of it, but the inconsistency ruins the cinematic flow. We'll fix it, but for now, go ahead and click Make Video, so we have something to compare later. Here's the big secret. This is what 99% of people never think to do. Play your Scene 1 video all the way to the end. At the final frame, right-click, copy the image. Go back to GROK, paste that frame into the Imagine prompt. GROK will automatically try to continue the animation from that exact moment. If you don't like the auto-generation behavior, no worries, we'll turn it off later. But for now, GROK creates a short animation based on that final frame. It looks smooth, but it's not scene 2 yet, so let's fix that. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the Scene 2 prompt. In GROK, paste the final frame from Scene 1, then paste the Scene 2 prompt right below it, hit Make Video. And boom! Now, Scene 2 matches. Scene 1 perfectly same face, same style, same lighting. This is the exact trick that keeps your character consistent from start to finish. Before we move on, let's turn off GROK's auto-generation. Click your profile, Settings Behavior, scroll down, Disable Automatic Generation. Now paste the final frame from Scene 2 into the prompt box. Then grab the Scene 3 prompt and place it under the image. Hit Send, and within seconds, Scene 3 is done. Smooth, cinematic, and still 100% consistent.
It's here.
You can repeat this exact workflow for as many scenes as you want, 5, 10, 20, even a full AI short film. Once everything is generated, Click here to review the full list of scenes. You'll see every clip beautifully aligned and consistent. Click any one you want, hit download, and save them to your computer. Now we're ready to assemble everything into a real YouTube video. For voiceovers, I'm using Google AI Studio, totally free, super clean, and honestly, the easiest option out there. Select single speaker audio. Pick a voice that fits the tone of your story, warm, dramatic, calm, whatever you want. Paste in your script, remove timestamps. Click Generate. Give it a moment, and your voiceover is ready. Listen to it. Make sure it feels right. Then download the file. Now let's bring everything into CapCut. Import all your video clips, plus your voiceover. Drop the voiceover onto the timeline first, that's your anchor. Then bring in Scene 1. If you're posting on TikTok or Reels, scale the clip to 123% so it fills the vertical frame properly. This little trick works almost every time. Adjust clip speed to match the narration. Repeat for all scenes. Import scale adjust speed to sync. Once everything feels smooth, add auto captions. They massively boost retention. If you're still here, thank you so much. Drop a like, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI workflow you want me to break down next. And if you want to learn how to turn a single prompt into a full animated short, don't miss the next video on this channel. See you there.